only one vehicle that blends classic style and modern design to create the next generation of an icon. Take a look at this 2021 certified pre-owned Jeep Grand Cherokee SRT in redline. With bi-xenon HID projector headlamps, LED fog lamps, 20-inch aluminum wheels, Brembo front brakes, power heated mirrors, blind spot and crosspath detection, LED tail lamps, heated and ventilated front seats, heated steering wheel, 22,000 miles on the odometer, 8.4-inch touchscreen, navigation, rear backup camera, dual zone temperature control, select track system, heated rear seats, dual pane panoramic sunroof, power liftgate, 6.4-liter V8 Hemi engine, and so much more. For additional details, visit us at marinocjd.com, stock number D6611.
All Chrysler Group certified pre-owned vehicles pass a stringent inspection process, guaranteeing that only the finest vehicles get certified. Ask your dealer about available lifetime warranty upgrades. Chrysler Group certified pre-owned vehicles, the smart choice, factory-backed to go the distance. This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX vehicle history report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX buyback guarantee.